You're in for a treat on this ukulele review. Whoa, what is this? This is the Ohana BK-70-8. That's right, a baritone 8-string ukulele. Ooh. All right, story here. First of all, welcome. I'm Terry Carter, and this is ukelikethepros. I do have a story for you. But thanks for being here. If you're new, make sure to subscribe. Turn that bell notification. And if you dig this video or have any thoughts on this cool instrument here, the Ohana 8-string baritone, leave a comment below and show us a little love by smashing that like button. All right. Story. Story is, I was totally like, no one is going to buy these things, right? So I didn't even carry them for the longest time. Now, granted, we're baritone. We're the baritone king. Let's just call it that. We're the baritone king. We got baritone courses. We got baritone weekly calls, Q&As over at ukelikethepros.com. We do a bunch of YouTube content with baritone. And I sell a lot of baritones at store.ukelikethepros.com. A lot. Ohana baritones, Kala baritones, Guitarlele baritones, Pono baritones, you name it. But anyway, I do sell a lot of the Ohana baritones. And I was like, no one's going to buy an 8-string baritone. Why would they even want an 8-string baritone? So I didn't even carry them. And then I started carrying them. And guess what? Flying off the shelf. Like I can't even keep them in stock. And then actually, anytime Ohana has them in, I just buy as many as I can. Matter of fact, I bought the rest of them that they had. Because these things are amazing. And I had a video up there by one of my good friends. And I wanted to do my own video on the store for this one, and I thought this is the time right now to do it. So let me do some playing. We'll go over all the wood, the specs, all that kind of stuff of this. Again, this is the Ohana BK-70 8-string. So anyway, what do you hear? What do you notice about this sound with 8 strings? Leave a comment below on that. All right, baritone. What exactly does that mean when we're in baritone? All right, so first of all, this tuning here, I'll go over the strings. D, G, B, a little out of tune, and E. Hopefully I'll remember to tune it up before I play again. All right, so you have the standard D, G, B, E tuning, except each string here is doubled in some way. Now, if you notice the first 4 strings here, you got a wound 4 string, and then you have a higher, sorry, did I say 4? Yeah, 4 string. I didn't know if I said G. No, I didn't. D, so you have a wound D, and then you have the high D there. So you have low and high, 1 wound, 1 unwound. Then you have G, high G, and low G together. Then you have B, B, and that's unison. Okay, that's the same pitch. And then you have E and E again. Okay, except you have high E. Oh, that's the same. That's the same. Yeah, so you have 2 high E's. So you notice that's the tuning of this thing. And what it does is gives you a huge sound. Man, sounds like the Who right there. Now, is it great for strumming? Absolutely. Can you do single notes? Yeah, think Wish You Was Here, Wish You Were Here. That's it, by Pink Floyd, that little 12-string acoustic guitar intro. All right, what is this? You got solid spruce top here. Very, very cool, solid spruce top. You do have a nice looking rosette here as well. Now the back and the sides, this is just a laminate mahogany. I think we have the helicopter flying over, but I'm not gonna stop. We're trying to keep this real right here, keeping this real. So anyway, you got the nice mahogany. Now this is a laminate, okay? So this is laminate sides and back, but you do have the solid top, and really the top I was just talking to Pepe Romero about this. The top is really the most important for the sound. Okay, the sides and the back do affect the sound tone, the quality, and all that stuff. But really, it's so much based on the top here. And by the spruce top, you have that nice punch, that brightness, that projection that helps. Now, what's cool about it is because a baritone can get a little low sounding, right? Which is cool. We like it. But with these 8 strings, it might get too low, too muddy, and that spruce top is going to help really help cut through the sound of it. So anyway, very, very, very cool solid spruce top. You know how I love solid spruce, solid tops or all solid ukes, but this one is a solid spruce top. Now, there's not a lot of stuff out here. You don't have a lot of baritone 8 strings even available on the market. So great job by Ohana for having this model. And because they made the sides in the back laminate, it actually kept the price at a really nice price point that you can get into it. Okay, so all right, you got the solid mahogany neck here, and you do have the eight strings here. So it's kind of a big headstock here, but of course you have the 4 on each side. You do have the slotted headstock. Now, let me play, and I'll tell you the nut width and the scale length here. Actually, I'm going to tune up, and then I'm going to play. All right, I tried to mix it up, do some strumming, but I also wanted to kind of give you a little bit of that sound if we just kind of do. Not so much strumming, just more of this nice arpeggiated rolls. Fantastic. What do you think? Leave a comment below on this thing. Smash that like button. Let's go. Come on. All right. You have just about 1.5 inch nut width here. It's just slightly under. Feels good though. It's nice that kind of the strings go all the way to the edge of the nut here, so they're using the whole space here of the nut. And then you do have the 19 inches. It's still over 19 inches. Actually, hold up. That's what I thought. I was just double checking. It's actually slightly over 19.5 inches. So 19, it's actually like 19 and 5/8. Trust the old thing. I want to make sure I gave you the right dimension there. So anyway, really nice. Great instrument, a lot of projection, great price. You know Ohana's a quality brand, and you know where you can get it. Store.ukelikethepros.com, and then once you get it, don't forget, ukelikethepros.com. We got courses, baritone courses. You can take this baritone, you can take the blues course, you can take the beginning course, you can join our Q&As. You could probably even do a little... finger picking on this thing. So anyway, the Ohana BK-70-8 string. By the way, this uses GHS strings. I do carry those as well at store.ukelikethepros.com, and it's what's on here with the wound 4-string and then all the black nylon strings there. So anyway, that's it. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for the support, all the comments, subscribing to the channel. Check us out over on our Patreon page as well, patreon.com/ukelikethepros, and follow us on Instagram at ukelikethepros. That's going to do it for this one. And I appreciate you being here. Thanks for all the love, the support. Take care of yourselves. And we'll see you next time.